In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Notion cover image with an aesthetic GIF. If you've been searching for a way to give your Notion pages a fresh, personalized touch, you're in the right place. Using a GIF as a cover image can add a dynamic and engaging element to your space, making it not only visually appealing, but also uniquely yours. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, make sure you head over to your Notion workspace. This is the starting point where all the magic is going to happen. For those who might find themselves frequently shuffling between different projects or tasks, having each page with a unique cover can really help in visually separating them and setting the right mood or tone for the content within. Next, you'll want to log in to your Notion account. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to do so. It's crucial to ensure you're in the correct account, especially if you manage multiple workspaces. This step helps secure your intended changes are applied to the right place. Once you're logged in, navigate over to Notion Home. This acts as the dashboard for all your Notion activities, providing an overview of your pages, documents, and more. From here, you can easily find the page you want to edit. When you've identified the page you want to enhance with a GIF, go ahead and click on the page. This action opens up the specific page you've selected, allowing you to see it in its full glory, or, as it currently stands, in need of some spice. Now, we're getting to the exciting part. Adding or changing the cover. Hover over the top of your page until you see an option that says Add Cover, or, if you already have a cover image, it might simply say Change. Click on that prompt. Next, once the cover dialog box appears, look for the option to upload. This is where you can introduce your chosen visual delight, the GIF. Select Upload to proceed. After selecting the upload option, navigate through your files to find that perfect GIF you've already picked out. If you've ever taken time to sift through images or GIFs, you know the right one can make all the difference. Select your desired GIF and let Notion work its magic to upload and display it as your cover. And there you have it. Your page now features a lively GIF as its cover image. An easy yet impactful way to elevate the appearance of your Notion pages. Whether you're aiming for a touch of elegance, a dash of fun, or simply something that inspires you whenever you open the page, utilizing a GIF as your cover image is a creative step in customizing your digital space. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy your newly animated Notion.